Hello, this is Jeremy from the J-Man family and J-Man Garage. Still working here on my 2008 Ford Expedition with the 5.4 3-valve Triton engine. About 168,000 miles, 67, I forgot, 167,000 miles. So like I said before, and if you saw some other videos, I had to replace the radiator. So while I was doing that, I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and replace the timing chain and all the stuff that goes along with it. So here's my new timing chain and all the new guides, new hydraulic tensioners, new cam phasers, new VVT sensors. This kit was by Cloy's, I think that's how I pronounce it. But pretty complete kit. All of that came together. It also came with all the gaskets set, and also came with the water pump, which I haven't replaced yet. Like I said, 167,000 miles, and it's a good thing that I did decide to do this. I almost said, nah, I'm not going to do it, but I had some broken parts, so I'm going to pause the video and go show the parts. Okay, so as you can see, here's one of my guides. I got lucky. This is on the passenger side. The guide itself was broke. Fortunately, where it bolts here and the bolts there, of course, it was still attached. And this had not gotten anywhere that I couldn't get to it. Yeah, I got really lucky. The chain was very loose on this side. Also, I don't know if you could see, you can see them. Both hydraulic tensioners, which is a common problem, have blown out seals right there and at the top and bottom here, and also at the top. So I'm glad I replaced it. All the gear, here's all the old, and these actually weren't too bad, to be honest with you. Has some age on them. This one had some wear. And the guides had some wear in them. Everything else looked pretty decent. Like I say, the chains were loose. But since the kit came with everything, I just decided to replace it, of course. So I've got there's my old radiator that's bad, but there's the cover. So I got cleaned the cover all up, and I'm going to put in the new seal. Came with the gasket kit, the RTV, everything. And like I say, even though it's Felpro gaskets, they all came in the kit, and it's all sold by Cloy's. Came with the new bolts, everything. So very, very complete kit. And once you get it apart, it looks intimidating, but it's really not that hard to do. The hardest part is getting it all apart where you could actually replace the timing chain and all the parts. But once you get into there, it's pretty easy. So anyway, I'll post more videos as I put it together. And thanks, and watch more of our videos.